Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. So today we're diving deep into the NEO-TEC 12-inch top-handle gas chainsaw. And honestly, this little beast has been making some serious waves in the chainsaw world. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this compact chainsaw really worth buying, or is it just another cheap tool that'll let you down when you need it most? Well, let's talk numbers and real-world performance, because that's what actually matters. This is a 25.4 cubic centimeters two-stroke gas-powered chainsaw that packs 1.2 horsepower and can rev up to 8,500 revolutions per minute, which is pretty impressive for something this compact. The engine runs at a stable 2,500 revolutions per minute at idle, which means smooth operation without excessive vibration that'll wear you out. Now let's talk about weight, because this is where things get interesting. The entire unit weighs just 8 pounds with the 12-inch guide bar and chain included. That's incredibly light for a gas chainsaw. And what that means in real-world use is you can operate this thing one-handed without your arm feeling like it's going to fall off after 20 minutes. The guide bar is 12 inches with a professional-grade 3/8 LP pitch and 0.050-inch gauge safety chain featuring 44 drive links, which gives you precise cutting control while maintaining safety. And here's something I really appreciate. It uses a pre-configured 25-to-1 fuel-oil mixture ratio, so you're not guessing or mixing incorrectly, which protects your engine and keeps it running efficiently. You get about 15 to 25 minutes of continuous runtime per tank, which is perfect for most pruning, trimming, and small cutting jobs around the yard. Why is this such a popular choice among homeowners and even professional arborists? Well, it's that perfect balance of power and portability. The top handle design with the wraparound grip isn't just comfortable. It's specifically engineered for tree climbing and working at heights where you need maximum control with minimal weight. The built-in steel bar spring in the handle reduces starting resistance significantly, which means even if you're not the strongest person, you can pull start this saw without feeling like you're working out at the gym. The easy start system combined with the foolproof switch makes ignition pretty much effortless every single time. In terms of cutting performance, that 1.2 HP motor delivers professional-grade power that'll handle tree pruning, limb removal, firewood preparation, and general yard maintenance without bogging down. The automatic chain oiling system keeps everything lubricated properly during use, which extends the life of both your chain and bar while maintaining smooth, efficient cutting. You're looking at prices typically ranging from about $100 to $130 depending on where you buy it and what deals are available, which puts it in that sweet spot for serious value. Professional features without the professional price tag. What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? That 25.4 cubic centimeters displacement gives you enough torque to cut through 8-inch diameter wood cleanly. The 8-pound weight means you can work overhead or at awkward angles without destroying your shoulders. And that 12-inch bar length is ideal for precision work where bigger saws would be too cumbersome. The fuel efficiency is genuinely impressive too. That optimized 25:1 mixture reduces emissions while giving you consistent power, so you're not burning through gas like crazy, while also being a bit kinder to the environment. The low idle technology at 2,500 revolutions per minute minimizes vibration during operation, which translates to less hand fatigue and more comfortable extended use sessions. Setup is super straightforward. You're talking just a few minutes to assemble, and the included tools make chain adjustments and maintenance simple even if you've never worked on a chainsaw before. The chain brake provides quick stopping power for safety, and the anti-kickback, anti-vibration handle design means safer, more controlled operation whether you're a beginner or experienced user. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising the surprisingly powerful performance for the compact size, the ease of starting even in cold weather, and the excellent customer service if any issues arise. This is genuinely a chainsaw that punches way above its weight class and price point. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.